Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of the brain. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that many of us may not even realize is affecting our behavior: greedy neural circuits in the brain. Our brains are incredibly complex, and one of the most fascinating aspects is the way in which we process rewards. The pleasure we feel when we eat our favorite food, receive a compliment, or win a game of our favorite sport, it's all thanks to a network of neural circuits that are responsible for processing rewards. But did you know that sometimes, these circuits can become greedy, and lead us to make irrational decisions? Research has shown that when certain circuits in our brain become overstimulated, we can become hyper-focused on receiving rewards, to the point that we start making decisions that are not in our best interest. For example, have you ever found yourself unable to resist eating one more slice of cake, even though you're already full? Or spending too much money on something you don't really need, just because it feels good to buy it? These are both examples of how greedy neural circuits can affect our behavior. So why does this happen? Well, our brains are wired to seek out pleasure, and when we experience something rewarding, a chemical called dopamine is released in our brains. This dopamine rush makes us feel good, and our brains learn to associate certain behaviors with that pleasure. Over time, the neural circuits that process these rewards become stronger, and we start to crave those experiences even more. This can lead to a vicious cycle of wanting more and more of a particular reward, even if it's not healthy or beneficial for us. In conclusion, the concept of greedy neural circuits is an incredibly fascinating and relevant topic that can help us understand our own behavior. By recognizing when our brains are being driven by these circuits, we can work to make more rational decisions that are truly in our best interest. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of the brain.